Sinyoung 60 stages biomass fuel dryer successfully installed in Cambodia. Sinyoung drying equipment has been steadily arriving at the rubber factory in Cambodia. Each component is accurately assembled in place. Main structure of the drying cabinet is fully assembled. Exhaust gas tower positioned, building up the environmental protection system. Every phase of installation empowers more efficient and stable natural rubber processing. Sinyoung consistently ensures continuous and stable production for rubber processing plants with reliable equipment and tailored solutions. We are professional and dedicated to serving you. Please contact us to learn more. Hainan Sinyoung always strives for excellence.